Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. I'm right now in Kochi in Kumarakom Lake Resort, and they are known for their spa treatments as well. So basically I wanted to know if they have a treatment for psoriasis, and according to their menu they do have a treatment for psoriasis. That's a problem that a lot of people are facing these days, and wherever I go I try to find out what are the different treatments that different states, different countries provide for psoriasis, since it doesn't really have a cure as such by any of the doctors. So the spa out here recommended a buttermilk treatment to me, which is specifically done for psoriasis on the scalp. They told me that they will give me a body massage for 30 minutes and a scalp treatment for 30 minutes with the use of buttermilk on my scalp. And this is something they recommend that I should do at least 3 to 4 times to see a good result for psoriasis. So today I've booked an appointment over here. Right behind me is the spa, and I'm going to take you with me to the spa to show you what exactly they did on my scalp, how they thought that the psoriasis could be treated with something as herbal as buttermilk. If you are allergic to buttermilk or anything to do with curd, please do not do this treatment. I will not recommend it. If you're not, I think you'll really enjoy it. So come with me and let's enjoy this treatment.
Takra means it's a buttermilk. So it's like a continuous streaming of buttermilk on your head region. So actually they'll start massaging your body for first 15 minutes with medicated oil, and then 45 minutes there will be continuous streaming of buttermilk on the head region, which is good for all type of skin disease on the head region like psoriasis and other type of scalp diseases also. So actual procedure is 60 minutes.
Back after my spa treatment, and you will have to excuse the music behind me. There's a party going on in this resort, but I have just finished my spa treatment where I treated my hair for psoriasis. These guys told me that they had a very different treatment for psoriasis at their resort in their spa, in which they used buttermilk in, and as they used buttermilk on my scalp, before that they used warm oil on my scalp, and they used warm oil all over my body. They did a 30 minutes body massage, then they did Shirodhara treatment which is done down in the south, but this time it wasn't with oil, it was with buttermilk. So the herbal treatment that they use for psoriasis is buttermilk, which I'm sure a lot of people out there don't know about, and that's what they used for my hair today. And I feel that my hair is so soft now after using buttermilk. Curd is also used for a lot of fungal treatment on the scalp, so I think buttermilk comes from that concept itself, but I didn't know psoriasis could be treated with buttermilk. So all you guys out there, I wanted to share what are the different treatments used for psoriasis in different states and different countries of the world, since a lot of people suffer from psoriasis. If you liked my video, don't forget to subscribe and like my channel, and do let me know if you've tried this treatment yourself. They've told me that if you do it about 3 to 4 times, that's when you will start seeing results. So I'm going to carry on doing this once I head back home as well. And if you can try this on, do let me know with your comments below. Till then, bye bye.